Think your push-ups are perfect? Look again. What feels like strength might actually be destroying your shoulders without you even realizing it. That's the hidden danger most people never notice until it's too late. Loading up the bar with heavy plates and arching your back like a bow looks powerful, but in reality that kind of form doesn't build strength. It slowly wrecks your spine and kills the very posture that makes you look confident. Sagging hips in push-ups? It may feel easier, but that's not power. That's wasted effort. Every rep you do like this steals from the results you're working so hard for. Look at your shoulders right now. Rounded forward, slouched stance. It's not attractive and it's not strong. Poor posture tells everyone around you that your foundation is weak. Now stand tall, chest open, shoulders back. Instantly the energy changes. You don't just look stronger, you look more confident, more controlled, more attractive. A loose core is like a collapsing bridge, unstable, unreliable, ready to fall apart. Without a tight core, every exercise you do loses power and meaning. But brace that core like steel. Imagine someone about to punch your stomach and lock it in. Suddenly your whole body radiates control, balance, and strength. Push-ups with chicken wing elbows? That's one of the fastest ways to ruin your shoulders. Bad form isn't just ugly, it's dangerous. Elbows tucked in, chest engaged, triceps firing. This is how a push-up should look. Clean, powerful, efficient, and yes, it looks impressive too. Bouncing the bar off your chest is nothing but ego lifting. It looks loud, but it shows no discipline. Anyone can slam weights around. Control the bar, lower it smoothly, pause with power, then press back up. That's mastery. That's how strength becomes visible to everyone who's watching. Look at the difference. One side is sloppy, uncontrolled, careless. The other side is clean, symmetrical, precise. Ask yourself, who do you want to be? Your body is like a skyscraper. If the foundation is crooked, the entire structure leans. Weak alignment ruins the whole picture. But straighten your form, hold your frame strong like steel beams, and you become unshakable. That's the posture people can't ignore. Halfway down, slow, controlled push-ups light up your chest and arms in ways sloppy reps never will. You don't just feel it, you see it in the mirror. Pause the bar just above your chest, take control, and then press. When you own the weight never owns you. Struggling under too much weight doesn't impress anyone. It only shows you've lost control. That's not strength, it's insecurity. But when you own every rep with perfect form, calm focus, and confidence, people notice. That's real strength, and it's impossible to fake.